If you've noticed things just don't rise to the occasion like before, even when the mood is right, this video is for you. Because here's the shocking truth. It's not just age. It's not just in your head. And it's definitely not something you have to accept as normal. In the next few minutes, you'll learn why men over 50 lose their firmness, what's really happening inside your body, and exactly how to fix it naturally, safely, and fast. So stay with me, because this could completely change how you feel about your energy, confidence, and performance. Hey, I'm Dr. Evelyn Ross, a men's health specialist and nutrition researcher. For the past 20 years, I've helped over 15,000 men restore vitality, confidence, and yes, that powerful morning firmness that makes you feel alive again. I've seen men in their 50s, 60s, even 70s turn things around using simple, science-backed methods that most doctors never talk about. And today, I'm going to share the exact steps I recommend to my private clients. No gimmicks, no pills you can't pronounce, just proven, natural ways to reignite your body's natural performance engine. So let's talk about why this happens, because understanding the problem is the first step to fixing it. Here's the truth. Most men don't hear. What you're experiencing isn't just about testosterone. It's about blood flow, nitric oxide, stress hormones, and cellular energy all working together. Think of your body like a high-performance car. In your 20s and 30s, it ran on premium fuel. Everything fired perfectly. Blood vessels opened wide, oxygen flowed freely, and your engine responded instantly. But after 40, that fuel system starts to clog. Stress, poor sleep, processed food, and lower activity cause your arteries to stiffen and your nitric oxide levels to drop by up to 50%. That means less blood flow where it matters most. And here's the kicker. Even if you're taking testosterone, if your blood vessels can't expand properly, that hormone can't do its job. That's why so many men say, my labs look fine, but I still don't feel like myself. Sound familiar? Then there's the energy drain. Your mitochondria, the tiny batteries inside every cell, slow down with age. So even if your heart's pumping, your cells aren't delivering power like they used to. And finally, stress hormones like cortisol. When cortisol stays high from years of pressure, financial worries, or poor sleep, it suppresses testosterone and limits nitric oxide, a double hit to performance. The good news? You can reverse this faster than you think naturally by targeting the root causes. Let's dive into the fixes. The science-backed ways to restore your energy, circulation, and drive. First up, L-citrulline. This natural amino acid converts into nitric oxide the molecule responsible for relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. A 2018 study in Urology International found that men taking L-citrulline saw measurable improvements in firmness and endurance within just 30 days. It's found naturally in watermelon, but you'd need to eat a whole melon to get enough. So, a supplement of 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams daily, ideally on an empty stomach in the morning, can make a real difference. One of my clients, Mike, 56 years old, told me, I started citrulline and within 2 weeks my mornings came back. My wife noticed before I did. That's how fast better blood flow can work. Next, magnesium, one of the most underrated minerals for men. Low magnesium doesn't just affect your muscles, it spikes cortisol and suppresses testosterone. And guess what? Over 70% of men over 40 are deficient. It's like trying to run your car without motor oil. Everything grinds harder and slower. Magnesium helps your arteries relax, improves deep sleep, and supports testosterone production. Aim for 300 to 400 milligrams per day, ideally from magnesium glycinate or citrate before bed. You'll sleep better, stress less, and recover faster. Third, Panax ginseng, also known as Korean red ginseng. It's been used for over 2,000 years as a natural performance booster. Modern studies confirm it enhances nitric oxide production and improves overall stamina. In one clinical trial, men taking 1,000 milligrams daily showed a 60% improvement in performance and satisfaction after just 8 weeks. It's like flipping your body's energy switch back on. Not jittery caffeine energy, but calm, focused, confident energy. Fourth, beetroot. This humble root is loaded with nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide. It widens blood vessels, improves oxygen delivery, and even boosts endurance during workouts. I recommend a small glass, 100 to 150 milliliters of beetroot juice before exercise or dinner. It pairs perfectly with citrulline and magnesium for an all-day circulation boost. Next, let's talk about ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb that reduces stress and boosts testosterone naturally. In one study from the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, men who took ashwagandha for 8 weeks saw up to a 17% increase in testosterone and improved muscle strength. Think of it as your body's reset button. It helps lower cortisol, balance hormones, and restore drive. Dose: 600 milligrams daily, divided into morning and evening. And here's something many overlook: sleep. Men who sleep less than 6 hours a night can have testosterone levels equal to someone 10 years older. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone and testosterone, your repair time. So, protect your sleep like your life depends on it, because in many ways, it does. Create a simple routine. No screens an hour before bed. Magnesium or chamomile tea. Cool, dark room. You'll wake up more rested and more responsive. Now you might be thinking, how do I fit all this into a busy life? Good question. Let's make it easy. Start with what I call the morning vitality stack. Take L-citrulline and ashwagandha with water before breakfast. Add beetroot juice mid-morning or before a workout. Take magnesium before bed. That's it. 3 simple actions, less than 3 minutes a day. If you want bonus points, add a 10-minute morning walk. That helps pump oxygen through your system, balance hormones, and kickstart nitric oxide naturally. And if you want a quick food hack, eat a handful of nuts, spinach, and dark chocolate, 70% plus, daily. They're rich in magnesium and antioxidants that protect blood vessels. Small, consistent habits, not extreme diets, are what rebuild your vitality. Now, a quick word of caution. These are natural methods, but they're not overnight miracles. You won't wake up tomorrow feeling like you're 25 again. However, most men notice meaningful improvements within 2 to 4 weeks. If you're on medications for blood pressure, heart disease, or diabetes, always talk to your doctor before adding supplements, especially nitric oxide boosters. And remember, this isn't about chasing perfection. It's about reclaiming your energy, strength, and confidence one step at a time. Here's a simple 21-day challenge to rebuild your performance naturally. Week 1. Start the morning vitality stack: citrulline, ashwagandha, beetroot. Walk 10 minutes daily. Cut sugar and processed foods. Week 2. Add magnesium at night. Go to bed 30 minutes earlier. Focus on hydration. Aim for 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Week 3. Include ginseng in the morning. Add light, strength training 3 days per week. Track your energy, focus, and firmness each morning. By day 21, most men notice higher energy, better sleep, and yes, stronger, more reliable performance. It's not magic. It's biology finally working the way it's meant to. Now it's your turn. Which one of these natural boosters are you going to try first? Citrulline, ashwagandha, or ginseng? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who might need it. Because no man deserves to lose his confidence to something that's completely fixable. Here's what I want you to remember. Your body hasn't given up on you. It's just waiting for the right support. You can rebuild strength, energy, and confidence at any age. 50, 60, 70, it doesn't matter. The moment you start giving your body the right nutrients and habits, it responds. Because every cell in your body is designed to heal, repair, and perform. It just needs the right fuel. So start today. Small steps, consistent habits, big results. You've got this. And your best years aren't behind you. They're just getting started.